Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 18th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So I think this top-down analysis is very, very important no matter what time frame you're trading, even if you are trading like the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame. Understanding what the very high time frames is doing is a very, very important thing with trading. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I'm still looking at this as an expanding ABC, and the reason why is because we have this first move up with a nice breaker structure. Then we have one, two, three waves down with a lower high. That is definitely three waves down for sure, so I think it is a wave B. The first move up with the breaker structure is the wave A. That means we potentially should be in a one, two, three, four, five waves to the upside, and this five waves to the upside should potentially go up to the 161 to 178% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected off the bottom of wave B, which is this little blue box right here. So my target for this euro dollar move to the upside that we're currently in is someplace around the 1.32 to maybe like 1.34 and a half. So extremely, extremely bullish over the next couple years. Going down to the weekly time frame, yes, we have been going down very strong on the weekly, as you can see, but we definitely do not have a breaker structure to the downside. We definitely do not have like a significant lower high. There's no reason whatsoever to say that this move up is complete and that this move down is nothing more than a pullback to this last wave up, especially with the monthly time frame analysis. So keeping that in mind, going down to the daily time frame is where we put our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move up. I think that this is very clearly a nice little uptrend right there for wave uh, five waves up for a nice impulsive move. And I think what actually happened here is I think we have an expanding ABC for the pullback. I think we got one down, one up, one down, right to the 50%. If I go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see why I think this is definitely a expanding pullback is because we have one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up. When you see three waves down, three waves up with a higher high, then most of the time you're looking at an expanding pattern. This almost kind of looks like an expanding WXY because I would say that this is potentially three waves down also. But either way, it looks like a 333 expanding correction. Nice 50% fib bounce, nice impulsive move up. We do not have a breaker structure yet to 100% say that this correction is over, but I think this impulsive up, corrective down, hopefully the next impulsive up will give us the breaker structure, which will help us confirm that this really is the end of an ABC correction and that we really are back into the higher time frame uptrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my First of all, we got almost a perfect five waves here, which I would always label as a wave A or wave one, just so I don't get surprised. I definitely think it's a wave one, but I always label it as A or one, just so that way I don't get subconsciously married to an analysis. Then we have impulsive down, we got three waves up, we got impulsive down. We went just about right to the 100% Fibonacci extension. I mean, it could possibly go down and hit that 100% before it does go up, but I do think it is likely to go up. I think this is either a B or a 2. I think we're going to go up for a 3 or a C probably at the beginning of the week. Now, I personally think it's a 1, 2, 3, and I think this might be the bottom of a correction on the 4 hour to daily time frame. But I always label it as an ABC because if it does go up, give us some sort of a break structure back to the downside. I don't want to subconsciously be married to the 1, 2, 3 analysis if it really is an ABC. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.